Upbeat music playing, welcome back by Smart Fam. Today we're comparing two popular drones, the ATTOP drone and the Fokjank brushless motor drone. Let's see which one is worth your hard-earned cash. The ATTOP drone features a 2K camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes and quick social media shares. Reviewers appreciate its high-resolution shots, but note some issues with app functionality. On the other hand, the Fokjank drone sports a 1080p HD camera with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens, allowing for versatile angles mid-flight. Users commend its flexibility, but mention that the video quality can be shaky. If you prioritize resolution, go for ATTOP. If you want adjustable angles, Fokjank is your choice. The ATTOP drone is packed with features like route drawing, voice control, gesture control, and a 360 degrees flip. Reviewers find it fun and feature-rich, though some mention it's challenging to control initially. Fokjank's brushless motors offer level 4 wind resistance and speeds up to 40 km per hour, making it stable and fast. It also includes headless mode, altitude hold, and 3D flips. Users like its power and stability, but have reported occasional flyaways. If you want a feature-packed experience, ATTOP is your go-to. For power and stability, choose Fokjank. ATTOP is very user-friendly with one-button takeoff and landing, one-key return, and altitude hold. Reviewers say it's great for beginners, though some find the battery life short. Fokjank also offers one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and gesture control. Users appreciate its ease of use, but note issues with app connectivity. Both drones are beginner-friendly, but ATTOP provides a bit more hand-holding. The ATTOP drone comes with two 3.7 volts, 1100 mAh batteries for a total flight time of 20 minutes, featuring low battery warnings and emergency stop. Users find it reliable but wish for longer flight times. Fokjank's brushless motors extend its service life, and it offers quieter, more efficient flights. It also includes two batteries, with users praising its longer flight time and durability. If you need longer flights and durability, Fokjank wins. Both drones have their merits. The ATTOP drone is praised for being beginner-friendly and feature-rich, though some users experience app and control issues. The Fokjank drone is lauded for its power, stability, and longer flight times, but has occasional connectivity and flyaway concerns. So, there you have it. The ATTOP drone is perfect for beginners and those who love a feature-packed experience, while the Fokjank brushless motor drone is ideal for those needing power and stability. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.